Far, far away in the velvety black sky, there was a tiny star named Sparky. Sparky was not like the other stars. He was small, shy, and didn't shine very bright. Sparky always dreamed of becoming the brightest star in the sky, but the other stars giggled at him. "You're too small to shine big," they teased. One night, the moon whispered to Sparky, "Even the smallest star can make a big difference. Just wait for your moment to shine." That same night, a spaceship full of lost astronauts was zooming through space. Their maps stopped working, and they didn't know how to get home. "Oh no!" the astronauts cried. Sparky saw the spaceship and thought, "This is my chance." He concentrated really hard and started glowing brighter, brighter, and brighter. The astronauts saw Sparky's brilliant glow and followed it. "Look, that star is showing us the way," they said joyfully. The astronauts safely made it back to Earth, thanks to Sparky. "Thank you, brave little star," they cheered. From that day on, Sparky became the guiding star for all who were lost. He learned that you don't have to be the biggest to shine the brightest.